Hello everyone. The South African National Civic Organization, SANCO in KwaZulu-Natal, has expelled the former President Jacob Zuma as its provincial chairperson. The expulsion of Zuma from SANCO comes a week after the African National Congress suspended him over his involvement with Umkhonto we Sizwe party, which is contesting elections against the ANC. Zuma was elected SANCO provincial chairperson last year. SANCO is an ANC alliance partner. However, last December, Zuma announced he would not vote for the ANC in the upcoming elections, announcing that he would instead campaign for the newly formed Umkhonto we Sizwe party. The MK party was registered with the Electoral Commission of South Africa, IEC, but the ANC has gone to the Electoral Court to challenge the name. The ANC said the name belongs to it, as this was its military wing that was formed in 1961. The ANC formally disbanded the MK in December 1993 and formed the Umkhonto we Sizwe Military Veterans Association. The Electoral Court is expected to hear the matter over the use of MK on March 19. SANCO announced on Friday that Zuma has been expelled from the organization. It said he has not attended meetings and have not considered him to have absconded. Zuma has for the last 2 months been campaigning for the MK party in KwaZulu-Natal, Gauteng, Mpumalanga and the Northwest. SANCO in KwaZulu-Natal said it will support the ANC in the 2024 elections. The civic movement's announcement of the expulsion of Zuma comes a week before the ANC holds its manifesto launch in Durban. This will be the second time another party holds the event at Moses Mabhida Stadium after the EFF held its manifesto launch last weekend. The IFP will launch its manifesto launch at the same venue in March. SANCO in KwaZulu-Natal said Zuma absconded and has been replaced by Lawrence Dube as acting chairperson. At the end of last month, the ANC announced that it was suspending Zuma for his role in the MK party. This was after the ANC National Executive Committee meeting in Boksburg. ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula denied at the time that they had given Zuma 48 hours to respond to the letter of his suspension. ANC National Chairperson Gwede Mantashe had said earlier they will not deal with the issue of Zuma now because it will distract them from the campaign.